Hi, I'm Jagan from Raj Noho Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you the different type of flowers that we sell in our shop. First I'm going to show you these foam flowers. These are the fast moving flowers. So you can on each and every foam flower has comes in a packet in individual shape colors. So you can see here these are all the colors we have. Even in black color you can see how perfect it looks, and also very beautiful in pink color, and this is a light blue and dark blue. So these are coming in one single pack, and each pack is hundreds in a pack. So orange and yellow, this is also a very fast moving item in yellow color, and finally the purple or violet. So these colors you can do in Aarati plates, and each is 130 rupees, 120 rupees, like that it comes. So I don't tell the prices always, because after 5 years you see this video, the price may vary. It according to my supplier it varies, so only I don't tell prices in my videos. But the current price is this one, 130 rupees. So you can buy all these by just a WhatsApp. You just WhatsApp me and we will send your flowers to your address. And you can see here this flower we have done on a doll decoration. This is an order by a customer, and you can see here this foam flower, this small foam flower we have done this. These are 2-inch foam flowers, and this one is a 1-inch foam flower. So there is a difference, and you can get this and do this in many craft work. These are the foam flower in big sizes. You can see here in multicolor packs it's available. So these flowers you can get it in multicolor packs. And also this is a small size flower. This one, the previous one I showed you, is small size, and you can see here this is the big size. So there is a huge difference. And this one is also coming in hundreds in a pack with 160 rupees. So you can do this in many flower decoration, bouquet decoration, all these. So it comes with a net also here. So all the colors are coming in one single pack. These are 3-inch foam flowers, so where we sell in pieces. So you can see here this one is a 2-inch and this one is a 3-inch flower. So all the 3 sizes we have, and all are roses only. For all your decoration purposes you can use these 3-inch flowers also. They have very good, awesome finish when compared to the small flowers. And also you can buy these 2-inch flowers, that is medium size flowers, in single color packing also. Those are also available, 130 rupees for single pack. So price may vary accordingly. You can just take a screenshot and screenshot of this video of all the flowers that I am showing and send it to my WhatsApp number and buy it. These are satin flowers made with this satin ribbon. So this is the satin ribbon, 15 rupees, and these are the satin flowers. So you can see here this is also available in many different sizes. They comes with a leaf packing, so each pack is a dozen. So you can see these are all the colors we have, we sell, and just 25 rupees, and you can use these in many of your plate decorations Aarati decorations, doll decoration, and also stage decorations, small stage decorations, and also greeting cards also you can use, scrapbooks. Not only these flowers but all the flowers I'm going to show you. You can use all these flowers, and you can just use these leaves also if you want and take it. So each and every flower is separate individual pieces, and these are the silver satin flowers and gold satin flowers, where they are all in roses, 12s in a pack. And also these are some of the sizes we have. In medium sizes also we have in satin ribbons, and these are all the English colors or the pale colors. So you can just make these flowers in all your decoration purposes. And these are the paper flowers. All the roses here is 144 pieces in one pack, and all these are in a dozen. You can see here each are coming in one single bunches, and these are all the paper flowers. So you can see here these are all the colors we have. So such a wonderful nice colors, even in, you see, blue, this is dark blue and sky blue, and this is black also is available in paper flower. For all your dark themes you can use these black and white combinations, very good. And even for night decorations, so all these flowers in different colors we have. So see here there is a small difference in this color and this color, so my camera is not catching up, but small difference is there. So very eye-catching colors we have in these. So you can get these flower just 140 rupees, and there are no bunches, it comes in a packets only, 140 to 120 rupees. These are the same paper flowers that I showed you just now in golden form. So it also comes in 144 pack. So it comes in gold and silver, but at present silver stock out. So we have gold in big quantity, just 150 rupees. In this paper flower, a glitter is also coming. You can see here this is a white color, and you can see this is also another this is a plain one, and this one is a glitter one. So a glitter is also coming. You can see this is a blue and this is a plain blue. So like that also. So this is also quite awesome. And now I am going to show you some of the flowers that are made of plastic, but they are very beautiful. And also these are all the roses which are, you can see here each and every rose. I'm just opening it. So it has this much size, big size, that is about 3-inch size, and 12 rupees each, like that it comes. So it comes as a packet form also here, or in a small single pieces also you can buy these flowers. So these are all the colors available, very beautiful colors. So such a wonderful color. This is with rose with that ivory color, and this one is a white color, and you can see here this is a red color. This one is a red. So such a beautiful red, bright red, and this one is a dull red. So this is also quite engrossing. And also we have another one type, that is this flower, that is the velvet. This one is made of full velvet. Let me open and show you this flower. So it comes as a bunch form. So each and every flower is in velvet like. that is plastic velvet, I would say, not full velvet, but they are very bright and also attractive. And each bunch is 60 rupees, like that it comes. So very lovely. And these are the silky roses. So you can see here, so it comes with the beads also, and they are also available in beautiful colors. So you can use this as hair clips also, like that. Many people are using this. So what all I have showed you till now is the roses. So you can see here, this is another type roses. So each and every piece is 12 to 15 rupees, like that. So it has a pin also in the back side. So wonderful roses. You can hear, this is a white color, you can see here. So this one is a white color for making beautiful hair bands, and also jewelry also you can make with small roses, but not with this one. So this one is an yellow color, lemon, that is golden yellow, and this one is a lemon yellow, you can see here. So all these are coming with beads. So beads roses, I would name this. So roses with beads. Have you seen roses blooming? Yeah, I'm showing you now. This is the bloomed roses flower. Okay, this is bloom flowers. That is the roses in bud form. So such a wonderful piece. So this is also available in many different colors. So this one is 220 rupees per pack. So you can see here, this one is an lemon yellow, white, golden yellow, and also we have silver also in this. So finally all these we have at present. So these are all the roses in bloomed form, and these are all the 2-inch roses that I told you bloomed form. No, this is a flowered form. They have opened their petals. So this is also available. All these are satin, okay, and comes in a 200 piece packing and 100 piece packing, like that. So 200 piece, 260 rupees, like that it comes. So such a wonderful colors we have in this also. You can see here, this is an fluorescent yellow, this is golden yellow, white, and also orange, and this one is also pure white. So and this one is a sandal white, and this one is a pure white. And in that same category, here is a flower that is like a plastic, but they also are very glittery. So 300 rupees per pack for 200 flowers. So such a wonderful colors you can see. So it comes in gold and silver also. So these are all the 2-inch flowers in gold and silver, and these are all the shimmering. You can see here, these are all the shimmering that they exhibit. These are all shimmering flowers, and these are the 2.5-inch flowers, pre-bloomed flowers, I will tell. So you can see here, this is how it looks. So very cute, and also comes in a multicolor pack also. One pack is about 30 piece, we put 210 rupees. So such a wonderful collections of flowers in one single pack. And this one is a 2-inch flower with a long stalk flower roses. So you can just use this in decoration purposes. You can just put it and bring a big ball or any other thing like that. They are also very good. 50 piece is 160 rupees like that. So these are also multicolor, and also these are all like plastic, but they are not plastic, but also very cute. And these are all the golden flowers with feathers. So at present I showed you all the roses I have. Now I'm going to show you next is the other type of flowers. Still we have more flowers to show you in this video. So we are continuing this video as part 2. Kindly subscribe our channel to get the regular updates of part 2. Thank you for watching.